We've enjoyed a nice little run in the price of silver. Price is up. Demand is through the roof. But now, are we on the cusp of a period of declining prices? Will our heart be broken again? Will we see $17, $18 silver? Or could we be on the cusp of a new era for silver? Things like FOMO, fear of missing out, coming into play. I've got a couple very interesting points I want to raise to you that to me indicate we could indeed be on that cusp of a new positive era for the price of silver. The price of silver is set on these fancy electronic exchanges, the COMEX in the United States, the LBMA in London, England. Did you hear what Jörg Kiener from Swiss Asia Capital said on CNBC just a few days ago? He brought up a very important part that most of the metals, including silver, on the LME, the London Metals Exchange, they have like 2 or 3 days of delivery supply in their inventory. Supplies of silver are being constrained, and as demand continues to increase from industry, but also from you and me, that will put so much pressure, and eventually, and he mentioned this, the physical demand will overwhelm the electronic, paper, unicorn fart dust, whatever you want to call it, exchanges. And you are doing a great job because by any measure, retail investor demand for silver is through the roof. Look at any online retailer. Talk to your local coin shop. They will tell you that it is becoming increasingly difficult to source products to sell to their customers. In particular, we're seeing a big, huge issue with 90% silver, constitutional silver, because it's written into the Constitution that silver and gold are the only real forms of money. Some people erroneously call it junk. Nonetheless, dealers throughout the country are scrambling to find 90% junk silver. And this used to be the lowest premium segment of the precious metals industry. What is that telling us? I did some math last night, and right now, for every $27 that you put into 90% silver, you're only getting $17 worth of silver. The premiums are outrageous, but that's okay because they can always make more. Wrong. Think about this. The mints can make more bars, rounds, sovereign coins, but they are not going to mint more pre-1965-64 U.S. silver coins. There's a limited supply, so the premiums on those products could continue to skyrocket. I like the sound of $75 silver. I like $85 silver even better. But I'll tell you what I like even better than those two is the fact that you decided to join me here in the basement. Look, there's only one you. You're special, you're unique, and it's a big honor for me that you join me here in the basement. Please consider giving the video a thumbs up, turn on the bell notification, leave a comment in the comment section below. Now let's get back to the video. We're hearing a common theme from our contacts on the ground. People are coming into coin shops, retail bullion establishments with cash and saying explicitly, I want to get out of cash and into real money, silver and gold. And think about this, guys. This is where it gets so exciting. We are in the early innings of this awakening. We've been at it for a long time, right? We're silver and gold enthusiasts. We've had just a trickle of people start to join us, and we're already basically out of a lot of the metals. Think about what would happen if just a few more people or a lot of people woke up all at once and wanted to find metals. The returns could be astronomical. That's called FOMO. Fear of missing out. And it could spell great returns for the silver price and the gold price. First Mining Gold is a development company advancing two of the largest gold projects in Canada, Springpole in Ontario and Duparquet located in Quebec. Each already has 5 million ounces of gold reserves, but exploration initiatives are underway at both projects to find even more gold. First Mining is well-financed, has zero debt, and owns an interest in 4 additional Canadian gold development projects. Do you get even more excited when you look at the silver to gold ratio, currently sitting right around 80? It takes 80 ounces of silver to get 1 ounce of gold. Historically, that number has been 15, 20, sometimes even lower. But by any measure, the silver to gold ratio is extremely high. And when that starts to move, even just a little bit, back to historic average levels, the returns on silver in particular could be astronomical. And who in their right mind would take physical metal right now, go to a coin shop and convert silver, convert gold back into paper, fiat, unicorn, fart dust currency outside of needing some cash for an emergency? Who in their right mind is doing that? And when I talk to my contacts on the ground, very, very few people. It's going to be very interesting for the metals in the coming months, quarters, and years. Real interesting. We could be in for quite an exciting ride. The risk to the downside is far outweighed by the potential benefits to the upside. I'm going to be here with you through it all. When things get bumpy, I'll still be here. When we're flying in the sky, I'll be here for you as well. I'll look forward to it. See you soon.